Welcome back to Grade 8 Geography, Unit Number 2, Global Inequalities, Economic Development, and Quality of Life. This is lesson number 19b, Population Pyramids. Population pyramids are a special type of bar graph. They give information about the percentage of men and women in different age groups throughout a country in a given year. In a population pyramid, the bar graph has two halves, one for men and one for women. The middle axis indicates the age ranges of the people. The bottom axis shows how many people are in each range. In this particular graph, we are measuring in the millions of people. In the Canada to 1991 graph below, you will see that most of Canada's population is between about 30 and 49 years old. We have a higher percentage of young and middle-aged adults than babies and adults who are 80 or more years old. In developed nations like Canada, a population pyramid has larger bars in the middle and smaller bars at the bottom. This is because in a developed nation, most of the people are working in careers and have fewer children. In developing nations, the population pyramid has very wide bars at the bottom, and the bars get smaller as you look farther up the pyramid. This is because developing nations have a much younger population and people tend to live shorter lives. There are 4 steps to draw a population pyramid. Step 1. Set up the graph page. Okay. You can use the same scales as the ones that are used in your textbook. Okay, step 2. Plot the right side of the graph. By looking at a population table, like one which you will look at in your textbook today, you can plot the percentages for each age group for females. Step 3, plot the left side of the graph. By looking at a population table like the one you'll see in your textbook, you can plot the percentages for each age group for males. Step 4, finish the graph. Add the title, which includes the name of the country and the year the population data was collected. Then color in the bars. Now it's time for you to draw and interpret the population pyramid. So, in our next class, we'll quickly review the steps involved in drawing a population pyramid, and then I'm going to give you a template which you can use to build your own population pyramid. I'll also give you a population table so that you have the information needed to enter all of the data onto your graph. But until we meet again, this concludes today's video.